LEX'S Dirty Maintenance Show.
A sweet power slide. I came to this call, it was low on charge, so I knew it was a leaker. I checked here, all was good. This is the most common with these Goodmans. The A-Wolf air handlers, AWF. They always leak from here, but it was good. That was good, all this is good. So I had to slice it up, start slicing, working my way down, working my way down, working my way down. Got the H10. There it is, folks. Look at that big old booger. Let's see if I can get some light on it. I'll open it up and get some light on it. For such crappy installs, they sure did tape up the evidence good. Ugh. Tape it up real good, that way they won't see it. Oh yeah, I will. This dirty maintenance man, ain't no white flags in this dirty maintenance man's pocket. There it is. All right, that's where my leak's coming from. Good old H10. Don't know what I'd do without it. Oh, great. I guess I'll have to cut this. This is the drain line. Ooh, fun. Alright, we got a work order that says thermostat died, so AC isn't working. Please make it work! Exclamation point. So the thermostat's died, so it tells me right there we got some low voltage, 24 volt issues. Let's see what it is. It's been about the third knock. Hello, maintenance! Maintenance! Alright, let's see here. Yep, thermostat is definitely not working. Let's check the float switch. That's the first thing I check on. I always check on a low voltage issue. Here's your float switch right here. Yep, it's full. It should kick on now. Float switch is full. Thermostat's back on. Alright, that's an easy one. We'll go outside and clear the line. Check the charge. Filter looks good. See, it's got the trap. It's got the vent. The cap's got a hole drilled in the top of it. Let's see if the pan's full. I don't know if y'all remember my installation of a clip-on float switch video. See, the pan's not even full, but yet the float switch is. Maybe it fills up and then it slowly drains or something. We shall see. If it happens again, I'm gonna have to address it. I can't put a clip on in here. I could tie it into the into that. But as you can see, the pan's not full. Going back to my installing a float switch video. Grab me a little shop vac. I only see two drain lines, so I'm wondering if the second and third floor are tied in. This is the bottom floor. I like to mark them so I know which one goes where. Guess we'll try this one first and see if they're tied in. Put a bag around it to give me a good seal. That way I can just leave it down here and go upstairs and see if I hear it sucking. Alright, that's the one. I hear it vented over here. Coil looks good. Looks freaking brand new. Wet bulb 68. Dry bulb 82. Alright, got my clamp on the suction line. Suction line is 70 degrees. Vapor pressure, it's about 134. It's a piston, so we charge by superheat. I'm currently operating at 24 degree superheat, and the recommended or target superheat is 21. So our charge is good. Alright, when I come on any AC call, no matter what it's for, I always put one of these drain tabs in there. Just keeps the sludge and all that out of it. Eats the sludge up for you. I do that and I give them a new filter. No matter what I come on for, that AC that I worked on always gets a drain tab and a new filter. Alright, I'll fire it back up. Register 63. Return 77, 78. That's about 15 degrees difference. I'll take it. Alright, she's blowing cold. Charge is good. Thank y'all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.